How to autofill your tax return on Wealthsimple. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go to wealthsimple.com and sign into your account. Now you want to click on the tax option. Over here, if you want to use autofill, then you must have a CRA My account. If you do not have one, you want to register. Now, in order to autofill your return, you will have to enter some details. So go ahead and enter your first name, last name, social insurance number, date of birth, preferred language, and province or territory. Then scroll down a bit and here you will find the autofill and add forms option. Go ahead and click on the import forms option. Now you will have to enter the credentials of your CRA. So go ahead and enter that. Then a pop-up will appear. Click Agree to authorize the software to access your tax slips. Once connected, the software will retrieve available tax slips including T4, T4A, T4E, tuition and education credits, disability tax credits. Now select all the tax slips you want to import and confirm. The imported information will be autofilled in the correct fields. You want to double check all the details. Enter any additional income deductions or tax credits not included in the autofill. Once everything looks good, you want to submit your return electronically to CRA using NetFile. You will receive a confirmation number once successfully filed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.